गायच्या मांसाचेरूय भाजपा राजकारण करता म्हूण खर आरोप काँग्रेसीचे प्रदेशाध्यक्ष लुइझिन फलेरो हांणी केला। गोहत्या हो गुन्यांव म्हूण पुराय देशात मान्य आसा, मात भाजपा सरकार गायच्या मांसाचे प्रेस वाडोवन राजकारण करता म्हूण फलेरो उलयला। आरडीएक्स खातीर पणजेच्यान संजय मनोली।
For example, Goa Daman and Due Prevention of Cow Slaughter Act 1978, Sections 3 and Section 5 prohibits cow slaughter. So by any stretch of imagination, हांव पयर एक पार्टी गेल्लो आनी बरोबर मनीस आहले आनीक even they being educated, they were not aware of this, that there is a legislation in this country and also in this state which is banning cow slaughter. And cow slaughter is banned all over the country. It's an offense. So परतून आणि सांगपाची गरज ना, पण जात कितें आयज बुल्स बाफलोस मारपाक गोंयच्या सरकारा कडेन आहा थिंगा कितें म्हणटा तेका अबातोर गोवा मीट कॉम्प्लेक्स बंद केले। गोवा मीट कॉम्प्लेक्स बंद केले आनी कितें केलें, meat of buffalo or meat is supposed to be a very healthy food and cheap food, a very good diet, rich diet. हो गोंया बंद केलो आनी कांय बीजेपीचे फुडारी जे आर लुकिंग आफ्टर मीट कॉम्प्लेक्स, दे इन्क्रीज द प्रायस बाय 200% 300% ऑफ मीट पर किलो। केन्या कर्नाटकांत जे फार्मर आहाय तेंचे बोबो ते म्हणटाले आमचे बाफलो येताले हिंगा, आमचे बुल्स येताले, बंद केले म्हणून। In fact, I got a phone call from the Karnataka government also that these fellows are stopping it, increasing the prices of beef and depriving the people who are eating this. So you see, cow slaughter is not an issue. It is banned all over the country. It is an offense. They are only enriching themselves. This is agenda number one, hidden agenda. By banning it, they increase. After एक पार्टी beef price वाढवलो तो देवना. Who is making money? What is the difference between beef in Belgium or any part of Karnataka and Goa?